Good morning, 9th class. Hope you all are fine. Yesterday we had started our first chapter, that was our Earth. Today also we are going to continue the same chapter. Yesterday we finished some topics like our universe. Yesterday we finished our universe, the sun and the Earth. Second topic, Earth as a planetary body. Next, today we will discuss about the evolution of the Earth. Let's see. See, how did the Earth come into existence and get its present form? Means the process of evolution of the Earth. Let's see what was the process of the Earth, how it was exist. See, around the Earth began to form. The Earth began to form around 4.5 billion years ago. How much? 4.5 billion years ago. Then after that, what was happened? It began as a ball of swirling dust and clouds and passed through a molten stage. Right? Next, Earth gradually grew its size after that. First, when it was formed, how it became, and after that it grew in size. After that, it was very hot. The Earth was very hot and was in molten stage. See, after that, the lighter particles of the Earth cooled at the top and formed layer of crust. It was formed crust. After that, the heavier particles formed the part of the core. This core. See, Earth's interior. As the Earth's interior cooled and contracted, the outer crust wrinkled and forming ridges and basins. After that, what was happened? In these basins, rain filled. The basins and formed oceans. Now, oceans is there. Pacific Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay, that ocean was formed. After that, what was happened? Slowly, atmosphere developed. Okay, atmosphere developed and life appeared on the Earth. See, what was happened after? Slowly atmosphere developed and the life appeared on the Earth. This is the flow chart, a simple flow chart of the evolution of the Earth. How the Earth was formed, when it was formed, how it was formed, how it grew in size, the molten stage. After that, lighter particle of the Earth formed crust, heavier particles formed the core, and the interior part Earth cooled and contracted, forming what they formed? Ridges and basins. That basin filled with rain and formed ocean. After that, atmosphere developed. After atmosphere developed, the life appeared, means life exists on the Earth. That is the flow chart. That is a simple flow chart of evolution of the Earth. Hope you understand about the evolution of the Earth. Let's see what the internal structure of the Earth. Okay, and the layers of the Earth and crust, mantle and core. Let's see. See the diagram. What you are observing, children? This is the picture of the interior of the Earth. You know how many layers is there? Crust, mantle and core. This is crust, this is mantle, this is outer core and inner core. Right? These are the three layers of the Earth. 1, 2, 3. Crust, mantle and core. Right? The core is same, outer core and inner core, but the core is only one layer is there. We live on the outer part of the Earth, which is called crust. Here we live on the Earth. Okay, where we live? On the crust. You saw in the last section how the layer was formed. Okay, see, already we saw. And the crust mostly consists of various kinds of rock. Means in this layer, in the crust, what is there? It consists of various kinds of rocks. Only rocks is there. Okay, let's see what is in the mantle. It is exist in the depth of 100 kilometer to 2900 kilometer, right? The mantle consists mainly chemicals called silicates. Okay, what is consist? Silicates is there. Now core, about the core, if you see, two cores is there, outer core, inner core is there. In the outer core, its depth, what is the depth of the outer core? 2900 kilometer to 6376 kilometer. How much? 2900 kilometer to 6376 kilometer. What it composed? It composed very heavy and dense substance like iron is there, nickel is there. Okay, and here in the inner core, its depth is from 5100 kilometer to 6376 kilometer, right? See, outer core, inner core. Outer core 2900 kilometer to 5100 and 5100 to 6376 kilometer. Okay, so in the inner core, what we have? It consists compound of it consists only compounds of iron and heavy substance like gold, right? Here substance like gold is there and iron is there. Okay, see, total area of the whole core is how much? 2900 kilometer to 6376 kilometer, and outer core 2900 kilometer to 5100, and this inner core 5100 kilometer to 6376 kilometer. Okay, now 9th class, see, this is your today's homework. See what you have to do. From the today's topics only, I am giving some 4 questions to you. Very simple questions is there. See, describe the process of evolution of the earth. Just now I explained in the form of flow chart. You can explain what are the main layers of the earth. Just write down the layers name. Describe the interior of the earth. How is the interior? Mention the depth of the crust, core and mantle. Okay, you have to complete in the classwork. Okay, see, thank you very much. Tomorrow again we will continue the same chapter, our earth.